Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to give you a geometric interpretation of the dot product and some examples related to that. So, if theta is an angle between the vectors A and B, where theta is just between 0 and pi, so between 0 and 180 degrees, therefore the dot product here of two vectors A and B is equal to finding the magnitude of A multiplied with finding the magnitude of B times with cos theta, where theta is the angle between the two vectors. Now consider two vectors here, A and B, and the lengths of vectors are 4 and 6. The angle is 4/3. Find what is the dot product of A and B. Okay, so for this one, so according to the formula that you've seen here, the dot product of A and B is equal to finding the magnitude of A times with finding the magnitude of B times with cos theta. So the magnitude of A is 4 as given in this question, so 4. The magnitude of B is 6 times cos 4/3 is 180/3, which is 60 degrees, cos 60 degrees. So this will be 24. Cos 60 degrees is 1/2. So it is positive. And so the dot product of A and B is going to be equal to 12. Alright, next, find the angle between these two vectors here using the dot product. Okay, so first we have the formula. So the formula is A dot B, this is the dot product, is equal to the magnitude of A times with the magnitude of B times with cos theta. So the magnitude of A is the vector of A is 2, 2, -1 times with vector B, which is 5, -3, and 2. And this is equal to, we need to find the magnitude of A. So the magnitude of A is 2 squared plus 2 squared plus -1 squared times with the magnitude of B. So B is 5 squared plus -3 squared plus 2 squared times cos theta, where theta is unknown. Okay. So on this part, we can simplify that to be 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 times -3 is -6, plus -1 times 2 is -2. This is equal to 4 plus 4, so 4 plus 4 plus 1 times with 25 plus 9 plus 4 cos theta. So here we have -8, so this is 2. 2 is equal to 4, 4, 1. This is 9 times 25 plus 9 plus 4. So this is 38 cos theta. Therefore, we can say that cos theta is just 2/3 and 38. And if you punch in the calculator, this will be cos theta approximately equal to 0.108,147. So therefore theta is just the inverse cosine of 0.108,147, and you will see that theta is approximately 83.79 degrees. Okay, So that's the angle between A and B. Okay, well, two non-zero vectors A and B are called perpendicular or orthogonal if the angle between them is 90 degrees. Now recall that the dot product of A and B, according to the formula is equal to the magnitude of A times with the magnitude of B times with cos theta. Now if theta here is 90 degrees, so if theta here is 90 degrees, cos theta will become 0. Cos theta will be 0. Cos 90 degrees is 0. So therefore the whole part here is going to be 0. And that is what is given here on this formula. If vectors A and B are orthogonal, therefore the dot product of A and B is equal to 0. Okay, so now let us show that this vector here is perpendicular to this vector. Now in order to show that they are perpendicular, you can expect that when you find the dot product, the answer is going to be 0. So notice here 0 here is a number, it is not a vector. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to multiply them. We are going to find the dot product of this vector and that vector. So maybe you can change the representation to 2 and negative 1 multiplied with 5, negative 4 and 2, and this is equal to 2 times 5 plus 2 times negative 4 plus negative 1 times 2, and this becomes 10 minus 8 minus 2. So the answer is going to be 0, and therefore you can say that this vector is perpendicular to this vector. Okay, alright, I think that's all for now. I will continue about the idea of cross product in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.